Welcome to the tutorial of the flag of Pakistan. A little backstory about this is in 2022 I designed the flag of Singapore. You can see it on the top right corner of the video, and in that I developed the star molecule. So I went on a design sprint of finding several more flags with dual color and with stars. So let's get folding. So this is a very simple tutorial. In the start, just fold two sides to the center and make sure that the colors does not peek out. Here, do an outside reverse fold. You want the white rectangle at the left side of the flag, and it's developed here right now. And now here, do a reverse fold as well. Here we are trying to develop the star molecule as well as the accompanying moon. Now for the star molecule, proper halve it, quarter it, eighth it, then release, and one layer up. That will give you 5 lines. Then do a pleated sink to get all the flaps out. Here, arrange the appendages of the stars into the required positions. Then just peel a little bit to reveal the white underside. Now for the moon, offset a little bit from its original fold. Keep the apex pointing to the crease. Now, on the back layer, release it back into its original crease. That will show a little bit of white colored underside. Then resolve the fold on the other side of this triangle. Then what you're gonna do is to also reveal the white underside with the overhang by a single fold. fold the leftover paper behind to create a sharp tip for the moon. And of course, repeat on the other side. Here we're gonna bend the moon into position. There's no hard and fast rule, no particular crease lines. Just make sure that the white color of the moon is well joined and connected and smooth, and the end result resembles a moon. Now here what you're gonna do is to descend the star to just at the entrance of the moon. So similarly, no hard and fast rule, just make sure that the components are in place. Here narrow down the model so the end product does not look visually cluttered. We are nearing the end. Bring all the elements in and position them in place. Lastly, narrow down the flag, glue everything in position, and you are done. So this is what the end product looks like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and you will enjoy this video. I will catch you there.